Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So here's a new video for you all. So in today's video we're gonna talk about few art methods that you can do when you are bored or you want to calm yourself, you want to be focused and don't think about the whole process. Just go with the flow kind of art. So this is the few methods that I'm gonna do. I hope you like all of these, so just watch the video. So what I'm gonna do here is I just scribbled few lines, and in between the spaces I'm coloring those spaces with different colors. You can choose watercolor or either markers as well. Otherwise, what else you can do is this method that I love. I like making patterns in between the spaces and small geometric lines. So just go with the flow and don't think about the patterns. Is it coming exactly the same like the previous one or not? How the art is going, how is it looking? Just put your earphones on, listen to some music and keep drawing whatever is coming in your mind. Just don't go for a very complex design. Just choose some simple patterns that looks really good. Just stop trying to control the next step, the next shape, the next color. Instead, just open yourself to see what might want to appear, and regardless of whether or not you think it will look good. So that is the whole key here of making all these different art forms. Now this one is the most fun way of calming yourself. Just take some colors, splash it around, and either you can do it with your fingers or just take this plastic sheet and keep trying to spreading all those colors here and there. And don't stress yourself if it doesn't come out the way you want it to be. The whole idea here is to just relax. So just go with the flow and keep filling the spaces, and it will turn out to be good for sure. So the third method that I love is making a collage. And if you have the old magazines at your home, just take those and cut some few here and there images or different texts, whatever you like, and then put them on your scrapbook or even on your sheet or a chart paper, and then hang it somewhere, or just keep it as or you can make quotes with this little text like I am happy just to be a boss of your life or something like that. So I just keep cutting few text here and there, whatever I like. Then later on I'm gonna stick all of them together and make a collage out of it. And this is a very great fun way of passing your time, and side by side you are making a art, so that's a plus. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna paste all these cutouts together, so like this. So as you can see, I have pasted all these texts like princess, my world, experience, beautiful you, opportunity, wife, proud mom, the best, passion, and everything. All those the text which give me power, which feels good. And I have added a word there, art, as well. So all whatever you want to do, you can do with the text. Just keep pasting here and there. And then next thing is my favorite, and that is mandala. So either you can go for a very the one which you need to have all these tools to make mandala, or but when you are making art for a therapy, it's better not to think about all the patterns and lines which are all in a proper proportion. Just go with the flow, don't think too much, just pick color, splash it here and there, and just see. I'm not thinking about how my lines are looking now, because I'm just passing my time. I'm feeling relaxed right now. I'm just going with the whole process. So that's it. The next thing is integral that I love. So what I'm doing here is I just took this old magazine of mine and start scribbling on top of it with all those zentangle petals that I know. Just don't think about it. That is the first thing you need to keep in mind when you are trying to relax yourself, because you don't want to feel pressure that my lines are not going very smoothly, it's not looking a great piece. So that's not why we do art here. And the next thing is geometric patterns that I love the most. So this one I did like previously few years back, so I did it again and I'm in love with this piece. So what you need to do is just make some triangles. See, my lines are not even very neat here. I'm not using any scale, just using. So I hope you liked all these different methods that I told you today, and make sure to do these whenever you're feeling bored or you want to calm yourself or just trying to be focused. And share your views with me in your comments. Do subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed it to yet, and please do click on the bell icon so that you won't miss any updates from my channel. Till then, bye bye, see you next time.